Hi everyone, welcome back to Code Step by Step. My name is Anil. In this part of Angular, we will talk about directives. So first of all, I will tell you what are the directives in Angular. And I'm very sure you already used the directives, but you might don't know to whom we can call directives. But don't worry, I will tell you what are the directives, some example of directives, and we also learn that how we can create a new directive also. And with the help of directive, we will update our HTML elements. And at the last, we will discuss some important interview questions. All right. So first of all, I just want to ask you a small question, which is, so let me just write here, star ng if, and let me put here true. So what is that? So now you will say that this is the if condition inside the Angular. That's okay. But what we can call it? Is it a property? Is it a attribute, or what is that? So the answer is this is basically a directive. All right. So some other examples are ng4, ng switch. These are the example of directives. All right. So how we can define a directive? So see, directives are the classes that can provide some additional feature to our HTML elements. So what kind of additional element? They can override the style, or they can just change the text, or some other things like they can just display our HTML element multiple times like ng4. They can toggle our elements, they can hide and show our elements. So these kind of properties, or you can say that the additional features can provided by the directives to our HTML element. All right. So now how we can create a new HTML, how we can create a new Angular directives. So for that we need to open our terminal and just simply write here ng g for generate, not nh, ng g for generate directive and our directive name. So I am just going to put a directive name is red element, because with the help of directive I will change the style of our element. So you can see that red el, and let's enter. So after that you will find that two new files are created, one for directive, second one for testing file of directive, and it will automatically include in our app.module.ts also. So we don't need this command line for a moment, so I can just close this panel. And now how we can use it? Before that I want to show its impact, how it can change. So I will just change this, put this red element directive here, and it will change the property of our HTML element. So for a by default you will find that the both HTML1 tag have the similar output. These are the very basic. So how we can apply the directive? First question is that, so here we have a selector, so just copy this selector and just simply apply it here. All right, after applying it you will find that that's okay. Is it any changed in our HTML element or something? No, till now there is nothing as much. So how we can change it in our directive? So let's import here element ref, and let's use it inside our constructor. So let's provide here el, that means element, and it will type of element ref, and inside our constructor just simply use here el dot native element dot style dot color is red. Now you can check out the output here. We have the red color here. So if you just apply this app red el to the h1 tag also, it will also work fine. Even you don't need to just apply it on the h1 tag, you can apply it on the p tag also. Let's say code step by step, and let's say I have one more element here, say Anil Sidhu. Now if you just apply this red color to the only the second one p tag, you will find that it will work on it, right? So now if you just want to make any element red, you can apply this property, and that's all. This is the simplest and basic example of directive. So now my question is, how you can change the value of this HTML tag or any other HTML tag with the help of directive. I am not going to answer this question. Just Google it or try it by yourself to just do it and let me know in the comment box, is it working for you or not. And after some days I will just add this answer in the comment box. So thank you so much.